Hello, welcome to TOYSREVIL. Surprise unboxing. Picked this couple of boxes up yesterday at a shop in the mall. Initially I wanted to cover up the price tags and not tell you where I bought it from. But anyway, again, let's just have a look through at what it is. Initially when I got it, when I found it, I was pretty surprised. But then felt a bit sus because of the covers being taped. So it's either the boxes are already opened and it's taped back, or it's to prevent folks from opening. Regardless, it was a thrill to find out, or rather find these Dunnies, which for a long time I was addicted over, but not seen it for quite a few years. So it's pretty surprising to find this DesignerCon run, which year I forgot. Yeah, it's okay, moving on, which I forgot. And these are the figures that will be pulled that I'm somewhat familiar with because I blogged about. So I'm interested in the Flat Bonnie and of course the Scott Tolson pulls. Oh, that's quite a few other figures, but these are my two main. Sorry folks. So let's have a look at what's inside, and to put to rest whether or not these are pre-opened boxes. Oh, another seal. Okay. Yeah, in my excitedness to open up the box, I did not see the names attached. Pretty faint, but these are the names attached. I'll put a still pic onto my Instagram later lah. Yeah. Which year was this, man? I'm still trying to figure out. Yeah, moving on. So yes, it's indeed sealed-ish, unless it's taped up. Yeah, it's properly sealed lah. Proper sealed. This is the good old days of blind boxes when it's just tape, or rather glue. You know when it's opened if the foil itself is opened. So it's not. So this is pretty cool. So these are unopened Dunnies. Nice. The thing about Dunnies is I can feel all I want lah, but unless there's accessories, I won't know what's inside. The good old days of light weighted blind bags. I'm looking for a cut. Yeah, there it is. There it is. So it looks, who is inside? Oh, this is the base. So I look at the base first lah. Got a card already, pink color. Paul Frank. Ah man, I saw the Paul Frank card. So it's a Paul Frank card. Oh, Paul Frank Dunny. So in this context, the card is up inside the seal bag instead of inside the box, so hence it's like, yeah, scrunched along with the bag lah. Ta-da! Paul Frank Dunny. Hey Raymond, thank goodness I'm taking the time to read comments. How have you been, man? So this is my Paul Frank Dunny. Can't say I'm a huge fan of it. We'll see what happens next. I'll put this aside. And this is my second box. I'm only dedicating 2 boxes. That's all I could afford anyway. 2 boxes. And let's see who I managed to pull here. I'm excited to do an unboxing of this because DesignerCon this year, 2024, is also around the corner, and there's new venue in Las Vegas. So I've not delved much into toy news of it, so I don't know if there is, or will there be a Dunny set, or maybe it might be a Bear Brick set, because since DesignerCon has been doing pretty much quite a bit of collabs with Medicom Toy and Bear Bricks, not necessarily Kidrobot at all, frankly speaking. empty inside because the card, the so-called character art card, is inside the bag itself, which, okay, this one seems not crinkled as much. Well, I'm not opening it properly. Oh jeez. Yeah, Rocking Toys, no Dunny set. I don't know, man. I don't know what's happening. I don't think there'll be much Dunny sets. But that is just my speculation. I don't know. I don't know at all. Oh, 2017, thanks. Last Chance Stairway. 2017 Bear Bricks? Not Bear Bricks, sorry man, Dunnies. Wow. 2017, that long ago. Got accessory. Oh gosh, I can't figure out whose accessory is this. So if anybody, feel free to judge, to speculate before I pull out. Ta-da! Oh, nice! Jerome Monkeys. Jerome's. Sorry, but I forgot your name. Your company name. Hyperactive Monkey. Yeah! Hyperactive Monkey. I don't have a lot of your toys, bro. I had some plush from the past. Do I have the plush? But it's pretty exciting, man. Hyperactive Monkey. And this is my DesignerCon times Kidrobot plush pool. Not plush, sorry, Dunny pool. Oh, I'm rambling, man. Sorry, I'm totally not prepared at all for doing this live. It's been a while since I've done any lives. I'm talking to myself, raining outside the window here. And probably, I don't know the audio, you might hear the ceiling fan above. But yeah, pretty excited to look at the Dunnies, man, out of the box. It's been a while. It's been a while. So if this is literally 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 7 damn years ago, man. Come on, man. Where are your artist Dunnies, man? Where are we going to see artist Dunnies? Yeah, or has the boat sailed in this platform toy genre when everything else is individual sculpts with Pop Mart and likewise toy brands versus platform toys. Anyway, then I'll just leave my unboxing, and glad you're doing well, Raymond. Hope you're still toying along. So anyway, these are my 2 Dunnies that were just unboxed. Of course, I'll do my live. I'll put it on my reels. It's quite what's the word for it? Surreal. If you put it to be opening Dunnies, because it's like a long gone memory from the past. And frankly, I had given up trying to look for Dunnies until I saw a couple of boxes in my mall shop. So that's cool. Just had to have it. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll just end this live and move on with the rest of my Thursday. It's a Deepavali holiday here, so I'm packing up and probably going to visit my mom. And yeah, I'll take some pictures of the toys first before I go. Thank you all for tuning in. Bye-bye.